Hello everyone, it's Sian here from Building Better Brains again. Just popping in to share some more self-regulation techniques with you all. We all need to add self-regulation to our toolbox. It really is the foundation of any other work we can do. It's very hard to think ourselves out of dysregulation. That's an upper brain function. So it's important to learn how we can do this body work, the regulation of our nervous system, to just bring us back into these moments when things feel a little bit overwhelming, or we feel triggered, or it feels like it's all just becoming too much, which we all experience from time to time. So today I am going to be talking with you about a little technique called 5 Things Mindfulness. So what we do, it's a grounding technique to bring us back to this moment, to bring us back to our senses and our nervous system and this very, very moment that we're experiencing in time, rather than anxiety that keeps us in future moments and keeps us in threat mode and worry mode. So we're just going to bring it all back into this little micro moment right now. So what I want you to do is we're going to look around the room and we're going to find 5 things that we can see and just label them without an agenda, without a story, without emotion. We're just going to label them. So I can see a clock. I can see the air conditioner. I can see a light. I can see the window. I can see a toy. So 5 things we can see. Then what are 4 things that we can hear right now? I can hear the ticking clock. I can hear a dove cooing outside my window. I can hear the slight buzzing of the light. And I can hear a car going past. So that's 4 things that I can hear. So what are 3 things that I can feel right now, that I can touch? So I can touch the table that I'm sitting at. I can feel my feet touching the floor. If I press down, I can feel that pressure. So that's 2. And I can feel how the chair is holding me. It's structured and I can feel the pressure on my back. So that's 3 things I can feel. Now, what are 2 things that I can smell? I can smell my perfume. And I can smell glue in this room where there's lots of art therapy activities. And then the last one is a bit of a check-in, a bit of a body scan. What's my body telling me about where I'm at today or in this moment, just right in this moment? What do I need right now? You can close your eyes or keep your eyes open and you can just be curious without judgment. What could I give to my nervous system, to my body as nourishment right at this moment? Just for a moment, so it feels held and seen. You can share in the comments below if you enjoyed that little one, the 5 Things Mindfulness, and if you were able to have a little chat to your body and your brain and your nervous system and see what it had to say about how it needed to be nurtured today. So good luck, enjoy, and we'll chat again next time.